5 signs your physical and mental beings are disconnected. Today, we're focusing on mental and physical health. Being whole involves your physical, mental and spiritual health staying in balance. But sometimes it isn't easy to tell when one is slipping. It can be especially hard to tell when your mental and physical selves are disjoined. It's often easy to tell when something is wrong physically. Sometimes you let yourself slip and not go to the gym, or perhaps you let yourself have more drinks than normal and are feeling the headache now. However, mental health is sometimes harder to tell, and it may seem like your physical health is declining despite keeping up your regular practices. When this happens, you may increase the steps that you were taking for physical health to the extreme, such as limiting your food or exercising to the point of harm. Instead, you should often be turning to your mental health during these times, as they are often the culprit. Mental and physical health are so interconnected, it can be hard to tell when they aren't working together. So I've made a list of 5 signs to look out for when you feel that something might be a little wrong. The first is a lowered immune system. If you're eating healthy, exercising, getting enough sun, but often find yourself sick or feeling poorly, it's likely to be an issue on your mental health side. When you're constantly stressed, your body is unable to keep the immune system working right. It doesn't matter how many vitamins you're taking. This is one of the easiest signs that something is wrong with your mental and physical beings. If you're sick, in pain, or tired despite doing a lot correctly in the physical sense, you're likely not paying enough attention to your mental well-being. A second sign is weight gain. Unless you're making an effort to gain weight, with proper diet and exercise, you shouldn't be gaining weight. If you're gaining weight and see no reason why you should be, then it's likely another sign that you're not taking care of the mental issues. When you're stressed, anxious or depressed, your body will retain water and fat and increase your weight, even if you're eating at or below calorie goals. My third sign is if you are craving unhealthy foods more than normal. Unhealthy foods are usually a sign that something is wrong. Often this means you're trying to fill a void with food instead of acknowledging what the problem is and attempting to solve it. If you find yourself wanting a lot of junk food compared to normal, try to reflect and figure out what you're missing and what you can do to fix that problem rather than just ignoring the issue and eating for a temporary fix. The fourth sign is one to show you that your physical health is lacking. If you find yourself working hard on your mental health through meditation and mindfulness, but struggle to push through a brain fog daily, you may not be treating your body right. Often, you may need more sleep or better food. The fifth sign also focuses on lower physical health. Perhaps you used to enjoy certain things like drawing, writing, or even listening to a really good podcast. If you still want to enjoy these but are struggling to do so and you're working on your mental health, you might not be eating properly. Sleep is important for enjoyment too. If you're not eating, sleeping or drinking properly, you may find yourself not enjoying life as much as you used to.